In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in Zoho Desk. When managing customer support, having an efficient ticketing system is crucial, and Zoho Desk offers a streamlined process to get this done. Let's dive into it and break down the steps you need to follow to create a ticket effectively. First off, you'll want to start from the Zoho Desk dashboard. This is your home base where you'll find an overview of all your active tasks and activities. Think of it as your control center. Maneuvering around this space will become second nature as we use it frequently. Now focus your attention on the left-hand side where you'll see a tab labeled Tickets. Click on this to access your ticketing system. This area will contain all the existing customer inquiries, allowing you to keep track of the necessary follow-ups or actions. Once you're in the Tickets section, your next step is to look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a plus icon, your gateway to creating a new ticket. It's simple and intuitive. Just a click, and you're on your way to solving your next customer query. With the new ticket form now open, the first piece of information you'll enter is the contact name. It is vital because it ties the ticket to a specific individual, helping you to foster a personalized interaction. Make sure the name you enter is accurate to prevent any confusion or mix-ups. Then, proceed to fill in the account name and email. Including the account name is beneficial for context, especially if the contact is associated with a particular company or organization. Having an email address enables seamless communication, ensuring that updates or responses reach your customer without delay. Next, you will be required to type in the ticket's subject. This should be a concise summary of the issue or request. Think of it as the headline that encapsulates the entire ticket. A clear subject helps prioritize the ticket and provides instant insight into the nature of the customer's inquiry at a glance. Following the subject, you'll need to move on to the description. This is where you'll be more descriptive, providing detailed information about the issue or request. Be as thorough as possible here. The more context you provide, the better equipped your team will be to address the ticket efficiently. It's all about clarity and precision. Finally, after you've input all the necessary information, the last step is the simplest. Click on Submit. This action sends the ticket into the system where it can be accessed by your team for resolution. And there you have it. You've successfully created a ticket in Zoho Desk. By following these steps, you streamline your customer support operations and ensure that customer inquiries are handled promptly and professionally. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.